Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can disable or remove background data in apps, how you can stop background data in your apps in Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings like this. Click on settings, and friends, here you can see apps. Here click on apps, click on all apps, and here you can see lots of apps. Here just click on any one of them, and here it is mobile data and Wi-Fi. When you just click on it, here it is background data. Enable usage of mobile data in the background. It will stop this by disabling this. This is how you can disable it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.